welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you see me, my name is Violeta. I make beauty, fashion, hair and lifestyle related videos on YouTube because I like it and because it's fun. In today's video I will show you my favorite items for January. Let's start first with the items that I'm wearing on myself right now. My black pearl earrings. People who know me know that I love pearls and I especially love black pearls. They're so valuable. I know how deep Geralt of Rivia dived to find the black pearl, but now we are privileged and we can just buy them from the store if we have a job. So yes, next is my spiral silver ring. I have had this ring since high school. I love it so much. It's actually a gift from my grandfather and the spiral means eternity. I got it from the center of Plovdiv. It's really adorable over there because there are so many artists who sell their original jewelry. I have been wearing it ever since. I first wore it on my right hand, but now as I grow bigger it fits me on the left hand. So much for the jewelry. I will show you my favorite makeup for January, which is that blush by MAC. It's called Into the Pink. I'm wearing it now on my eyelids and on my cheeks. Hey, I'm calling from the future as I am editing this video because I actually forgot to tell you why this is my favorite makeup right now, and it's because that is the perfect pink for my pale skin. When it's cold, it just gives me the illusion that I'm not wearing makeup, but the coat actually pinched my cheeks. This makeup looks especially sophisticated on pale skin when you are out in daylight and surrounded by snow. And if you want to see a tutorial on this look, it will be in the description box. I like to apply it with that brush by AVON. It came with that cute little brush set for travel. It's so shiny. I like shiny things. You can probably tell by now. A brush just fell from here into my sleeve. That brush I really like to apply blush on my cheeks in a round manner. This is the Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe by NYX. It's my absolute favorite eyebrow product. I use it literally every day. It's so tiny. It can roll the perfect hair strokes and it has a spoolie on the other side, so it's perfect. Even my sad, overplucked eyebrows look presentable. Another thing I'm wearing right now is that lip booster by Pharma Hyaluron in the shade Rose. It just looks so nice with the makeup I'm wearing now and the sweater. And by the way, I have been wearing that sweater like crazy this month. I discovered that amazing Highlight and Contour Pro Palette by NYX. Every shade you will ever need. Usually people use that in the winter and that in the summer, but because I do not do suntan, I hide from the sun like a vampire. I just use the lighter shades, but still it has a highlight that is shimmery. That's a beautiful highlight. I really enjoy using that adorable beauty blender. I'm sorry it's dirty now, but I literally just used it. It's so cute. I show you that every time, but that's my favorite Micellar water. It's by Pharma Hyaluron and I really like how when I use it to remove my makeup, my face still looks so fresh. This is the nail polish I use the most this month. It looks so good with the sweater and this makeup. The shade is called Rainbow with Sparkles and it just fits so beautiful with my sweater. This is my first ever purchased cashmere sweater. It's by H&M. It's just so warm and cozy and it's so soft. It's almost as soft as my cat Mishka. Nothing is as soft as my cat Mishka and nothing will ever be as soft as my cat Mishka. Now for the hair products, my favorite products for this month. This is the Remington Shine Therapy Conical Wand. I have been using it to curl my hair a lot this month, and I filmed a tutorial. If you wanna see it, the link is in the description box. For that, you may go and check it out. It's so easy to use and it leaves lasting and shiny curls. Those curls, I brushed them so many times and they still look pretty nice. And you can see that they are shiny. They are definitely shiny. And because I have been curling my hair so much that month, obviously I have to protect it. I like that Thermo Protect Blow Dry Oil by Gliss Schwarzkopf, and it leaves your hair sleek and smooth and shiny. You can see how much I have used. Another product I use a lot this month, and it's also related to the curls, is that dry shampoo by Batiste. I like to use it after I curl my hair, and then I brush it and then I spray in the roots. It just gets so much more voluminous. Just gives me the perfect volume. I have been using a lot Violeticious Golden perfume by Donna Karan. I love all of these. I have the green one and the red one, and I had one limited edition blue one, but this one I just love using in the autumn and in the winter. It just smells so perfect. Again, you see that I protect my earrings when I spray. I think of amber every time I smell this. It's perfect. I love it so much. And now, last but not least, I want to show you the star of the show. I got this on the Black Friday from Fashion Days and I just cannot get enough. That's it. Ta-ta-da! This is the perfect bag for me. It's girly. It's rock and roll. Check out the back. Oh! I love it so much. The only thing is that it's so small and tiny, but I really don't care. I just use a smaller wallet, smaller backpack for my makeup. I do everything I can to take with me smaller items so that I can use that purse. It's just perfect. It's rock and roll and it's girly and it's edgy and it's shiny, eye-catching without being too much. Well, who knows me knows that I'm a bit over the top, but still, it's the perfect bag for me. It's so cute. I love it so much.
Okay, that's enough. Give me the bag.
No! No!
Go.
Those were my favorite products for January 2019. I believe that this is gonna be an awesome year. It will be way better than 2018. It is already better. And I will see you a lot in 2019. So subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And I cannot wait to film another video. So I'll see you soon. Bye!